Yes. Welcome back, boys and girls, to Daddy's Studio. It's me again, Daddy, at your service. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, this is a Photoshop editing channel. So, if you love those kind of videos, then this channel is for you. So, feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you can give us as well your support and love for this channel. And today we are editing JJ from Cocomelon. And if you do have suggestions on what to edit next, maybe you can put it on the comment section below so that we can read it as well. Okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hello boys and girls, welcome to the magical world of Photoshop, and today we're doing this baby. Okay, so alright, so I found this image on the net of JJ, and we're gonna resize this to about right that. Yeah, this is gonna be our starting point, and I'm not gonna change anything much here because this baby is already on 3D. First, we're gonna mask out the eyes, as the eyes are so lovable and cute. The hands too, and the feet. Okay, so maybe let's start with the hands. Alright, so I found this, I think this is a Komodo dragon's claw, and we are replacing JJ's hand with this one. Let's mask out JJ's hands first, like this. Yep, we're gonna put this claw into the hand of JJ, like this. And of course, we are gonna warp this out. That looks good. Let's duplicate this one and place it on the other hand. Okay, and we're gonna mask out the hands too. Now we will be placing these eyes in exchange to the baby's true eyes. There you go. Fill this with black. There you go. So we have a new mouth for JJ. So I think this is good for the teeth. Now we need to mask them out. Found this tongue, and we are placing it into JJ's mouth, inside his mouth like this. Now I found this bullhorn, masked it, and we're gonna place this into JJ's head as well. Doesn't really look scary at all, right? Maybe it's because of the eyes. We're gonna do something about this. Let's duplicate this horn and put it on the other side as well. Actually, this is the eye that I used for Dora. If you watched the previous video, but if not, then do watch it, okay, because you're missing out. These two eyes really doesn't fit at all. There you go, much better, right? We're gonna mask this out, just a bit of it. I'm gonna use hue and saturation to change the color of the eye. There you go. Okay, applying some shadows, then let's put some shadows into along the sleeves, something like that. Honestly, I'm not really a master of this shadow thing, but I'm doing my best, so just bear with me, okay? Don't be so judgmental. As long as you're enjoying what you're doing, then that's good. But if not, then stop. What the frick are you doing, okay? Something like this, maybe. There you go. Maybe we could put some shadows over here, and as well as on the other side. There you go. Now let's put some highlights onto JJ by using exposure. Yep, this will do. Around here. And then this one. As well as on the face. Now I also found this ostrich foot. And we're gonna try to place it over here. Duplicate this and move it over here. Something like this. There you go. Much better. Now we need to correct the color of the foot like that of the claw. Okay, so I found this image on the net, and we're gonna use this towards JJ's face, okay? So don't ask me what kind of disease is this, but it's kind of gross. But we're gonna use this, okay? Let's put some blood texture onto the foot. Okay, and let's put this on overlay. Let's take a look. Maybe it would be best if we change the color on JJ's face. That's so nasty. Oh my god. What if we change the color of the eyes into red? Let's see. There you go. Now for the teeth. I'll be applying some shadows onto the teeth, and then I'll get back to you once it's done.
A few moments.
There you go. So yeah, those are the Tita JJs, and from this moment on I'm just gonna be doing some finishing touches and as well as the environment. So I'll do a fast forward on this and I'll see you in a bit. There it is, boys and girls, and that is how we edited JJ from Cocomelon. So if you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for future videos. Now again, for those of you who have suggestions or ideas on what to edit on this channel, feel free to comment it down below. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video, and remember, who's your daddy now? Peace.